Do you have a dry skin? Do you have a flaky skin? Do you have a cracky skin? Or wherever you are right now, the weather is pretty like cold, or in a winter or harmattan, like you said here in Nigeria, and you're wondering what to do about your skin. Don't worry, I have something specifically for you. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing a step-by-step routine for your face and your body, especially if you have a dry skin or you're experiencing dryness on your skin. Okay, I usually have dry skin, so this is one of the things I used to do. So I decided to share with you guys, so it may be helpful to one person, two person, or it will be helpful to a lot of you. First thing you have to do, if you have a dry skin or if you're experiencing any dryness on your skin, you need a lot of hydration. What I mean, you need to stay hydrated. That is how you're going to overcome any dryness. I know how it feels. I know what it feels like to always experience dryness on your body, on your face, on your lips, and every part of your body, because I can relate to it. Okay, so first of all, you need to drink enough water. You can drink like 2 liters and above, or you can drink like 10 cups of water at least. Okay, in the next step you're going to do is you need to incorporate exfoliation. As a dry skin girly or a dry skin person, you need to always exfoliate your skin, because exfoliation helps you to clear dead skin cells from your body. You can either exfoliate with a physical exfoliant, or you can exfoliate with a chemical exfoliant. What I mean by chemical exfoliant, we have like the mandelic acid, the lactic acid, the stearic acid, and the glycolic acid. So this is example of a chemical exfoliant. Okay, this is the glycolic acid. You can use this to exfoliate your face. You can also use it on your body, but I use it only on my face. You can use it on any dark part of your hair. Don't worry. In my subsequent video after this, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to exfoliate your skin to get maximum benefit. To get maximum benefit. So watch out for that video and don't go anywhere. Okay. So this is a chemical exfoliant. This is a physical exfoliant. A physical exfoliant can be a sugar scrub. It can be a salt scrub. Here right now I have, this is a salt scrub. You can use a sugar scrub, especially if you have a very sensitive skin, or if you have a sensitive skin, or you have a normal skin, you can use it. But if you have a normal skin, oily skin, you can use a salt scrub. But please, if you have a sensitive skin, please don't use a salt scrub, okay? Because it can be harsh. I don't recommend using your physical scrub on your face, although if you can use it, especially if you can get the facial scrub, the ones you can use on your face, or if you have a sugar scrub, you can actually use a sugar scrub on your face. But that's when if you have a normal skin and your skin can take that. Okay, so these are the things you're going to do if you have a dry skin, or wherever you are experiencing dryness. You need to exfoliate your skin. So when you exfoliate your skin, so anything you apply on your skin is going to accept it. Okay, the next routine you need to incorporate is you need to get a hydrating body wash. This is the one I currently use right now. This is a Dove glowing ritual body wash. You know, those their products are usually very hydrating and it's very moisturizing. Okay, so you can get this, and you can also get the Dove deep moisturizing body bath. I'll put out the picture on the screen. That particular one will also moisturize your skin, to also hydrate your skin. So you need a lot of hydration. This one is so hydrating. So these are the things you need to incorporate into your skin, especially if you're experiencing dryness or if you have a dry skin. You can also get the Neutrogena body wash, and you can also get the Fuchsia body wash, and you can also get the Nitorium body wash. Okay, all this particular body wash is very hydrating, and it's going to help to keep you hydrated and moisturized without feeling so dry and flaky. I'm almost out of it, like it's almost finished. I feel like crying. This body wash is very nice, and I would recommend you get it if you're experiencing dryness. Okay, so the next thing you need to incorporate is in your body care routine is you need to incorporate a moisturizer, a moisturizing body lotion. Yes, you can use this one. This is a Nivea Radiant Beauty body lotion. This particular one is very nice. This is what I currently use, and it keeps me hydrated. You can use this one, and you can also use the E45 body lotion, or you can use the EOS body lotion. Those lotions are very hydrating, and it's going to keep you hydrated. And you can also get the Vaseline Essential Even Tone body lotion. This particular lotion that is going to be on the screen, this lotion is very nice. If you have any dry skin, or wherever you are experiencing dryness, please, you need to get this lotion, because this lotion is so moisturizing and it has a thick consistency, but it's not greasy. A friend of mine have this lotion and you will love it. It's going to even out your skin and it's going to keep you hydrated, but it's not going to lighten your skin, okay? But it's very, very nice, especially if you have a dry skin or if you're experiencing dryness wherever you are right now. Okay, so the next thing for your body care routine is you need to incorporate a lot of body oil into your skincare routine. Body oil that are so moisturizing on your skin. You can use this one from the Vaseline Cocoa Radiant body oil. This body oil is very, very moisturizing. Like if you have a dry skin or you're experiencing dryness, this is one of the body oil you should include in your routine. As you can see, I'm almost done using it. You can get this, you can get the Vaseline B3 body oil. That one is so moisturizing. And you can also get the Palmer's moisturizing softening body oil. I'll put out the picture on the screen. And you can also get the Aveeno body oil. Those oils are so moisturizing and it's going to moisturize your skin. Or you can also get the Pierce body oil. This is the one I use. I use this sometimes. Like anytime I'm experiencing a lot of dryness on my skin, I'll use this. And then I love body oils. Like body oils keep my body so nice and hydrated. So you need to incorporate body oils in your body care routine. Okay, for your hand and for your leg, dryness usually affects us mostly on the leg and our hands, so you need to hydrate those places. You can use your body lotion on your hands and on your leg and with enough body oil. You can also use this Vaseline on your leg, like apply it very well on your leg and on your hand, and it will keep you hydrated and it will keep you moisturized. Like this is one of the things I use. As you can see, I'm almost running out of it. You can see this is a very good option for you. You need to incorporate Vaseline in your body care routine. And you can also use this Vaseline hand cream. I'll put out the picture on the screen. This will help moisturize your hand and keep it hydrated. Okay, so moving on to our face care routine. For your face care routine, you need to use hydrating face cleanser. Especially if you have a dry skin or you're experiencing dryness, you can use this face fat hydrating face cleanser that will be on the screen. You can also use the CeraVe cleanser, hydrating cleanser, which will also be on the screen, or you can use this Dove bar soap on your skin. This is very moisturizing. This is what I use to wash my face, and it's scent is nice. This is what I use to cleanse my face because my face cleanser I ran out of it. So you can use this. You can use cleanser. Please use a mild cleanser but a very hydrating cleanser. Okay, but after your cleanser, you're going to go in with a toner. I'm going to get a hydrating toner. I usually use rose water on my face. That's what I use to keep my face hydrated. This is the rose water I use on my face. I just put it in a spray bottle and I spray on my face, and it keeps my face hydrated and moisturized. Seriously, these particular things will work for you. This is what I use on my face, and my face will look so hydrating and I don't feel any dryness on my skin throughout the day. So you need to incorporate this, and I'll put up some toners on the screen you can also get for your face. Okay, the next thing you need to incorporate is your serum. If you have a dry skin, you need to incorporate vitamin C serum in your skincare routine, and you also need to incorporate hyaluronic acid serum in your skincare routine. Like the one I use right now, I use this Balance Active Formula Vitamin C serum. I use it on my face, and I also use this one. This is the Face Fat Vitamin C serum. I use this too on my face daytime. Then I go in with the hyaluronic acid from this Pime. I use this one at night and it keeps me hydrated. You can also use vitamin C serum from Timeless, or you can use the Advanced Clinical Vitamin C serum. Just get a good vitamin C serum and apply on your face to brighten your face, and it also keep your face hydrated. And you can use hyaluronic acid serum. You can get the one from the ordinary hyaluronic acid, and you can get any good hyaluronic acid serum will do the job. Okay, this is what I currently use, and it keeps my face hydrated and I don't feel any dryness till the whole day. Okay, so the next thing you need to do is to keep your face hydrated. You need to get a good moisturizer that will moisturize your skin. You can get this one from the Simple Replenishing Wish moisturizer. This is one I use. This is a very good moisturizer. If you have a dry skin, you don't need to sleep on this moisturizer. You need to give your face moisturize. So you need to get this and moisturize your face. Or you can get the Nivea Soft moisturizer. That one is very, very good. It also keep you moisturized. And you can get moisturizer from the CeraVe. You can also get moisturizer from Face Fat. I'll put up the pictures on the screen. These moisturizers are going to keep your face so moisturized throughout the day. Or you can also get aloe vera gel. This is also this is a very good option too. and it keeps your face hydrated. Like anytime I apply this aloe vera gel on my face, moisturize my face throughout the day. All what you need in this period, if you have a dry skin or wherever you are that experiencing dryness, you need to keep your face hydrated. Okay, you don't need to look ashy, right? The next step is, if you're experiencing dryness, if you have a dry skin, is you need to protect your skin and you need to get hydrating sunscreen. It'll keep your face hydrated. You can use this Hatomogi sunscreen. This sunscreen is very, very nice. It keeps your skin hydrated. This is what I currently use right now. But the only downside about this sunscreen is that it stings the eyes. So anytime you're applying it, you can avoid that area, or you can just apply Vaseline before you apply it. But just try and avoid your eye area, because like the first day I applied it, like I felt like crying. This sunscreen is very nice. It's going to do the job. It's going to keep your face hydrated. Or you can get the Essential Hydrating Sunscreen. That one too is very good, very, very good, and it will keep your face hydrated throughout the day. Sunscreen is very, very good. It's very, very important. You need to apply your sunscreen daily, but please don't apply your sunscreen at night. Okay, so the next thing is our lip care. You need your lips to be hydrated. You don't need to be moving around with a cracked or dry lips. Okay, so one of the things you need to do, you need to exfoliate your lip. Like exfoliating of your lips is very, very, very important. There are ways you can exfoliate your lips. You can get a lip scrub, or you can do the DIY lip scrub. This is the one I'm currently using. This is one I did myself and it does the job. I just added sugar, honey and coconut. This is it here. This is one I did and I use it to exfoliate my lips, and it's very, very nice. You can get the lip scrub and scrub your lips. After scrubbing your lips, then you can apply your lip balm or your lip gloss. This is the one I currently use, the Vaseline lip therapy. You can get the Vaseline lip therapy, or you can get this. This is also Vaseline brand, and this thing does the job. This particular lip balm keeps my lips so hydrated. As you can see, I've used this very, very well. It keeps my lips hydrated, or I can apply a lip gloss and I feel hydrated. That is what I'm doing. This particular look, I've done it since morning, and you can see my face is still looking hydrated. Okay, if you have a dry skin or you're experiencing any dryness on your skin, please do this routine I tell you, and you're going to get effective results. Okay, so guys, if you've gotten to this point, you know what to do now. Give us a thumbs up, like, share, comment and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Please subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. So guys, if you'll be trying this routine, please do well to comment down below, and if there's any routine you've been doing and have been working for you, please do well to share down below. I'll be in the comment section replying to all your comments. Okay, but please make it nice. So if you find this video helpful, you know what to do now. Give us a thumbs up, like, share, comment and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Please subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. Okay guys, if you find this video helpful, you can as well watch this video right here. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.